Welcome back to Dark Lure Finds, your ultimate destination for tech insights and reviews. Today we're going to show you how to transform your home into a smart haven with just a few key devices. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First on our list is the smart speaker. Devices like the Amazon Echo or Google Nest are the heart of a smart home. These speakers not only play your favorite music but also control other smart devices, set reminders, and answer your questions using voice commands. Simply say, "Alexa, turn on the lights and watch your home come to life." Speaking of lights, smart lighting is a game changer. With products like Philips Hue, you can customize your lighting to match your mood, schedule, or even sync with your entertainment. Use your smartphone or voice commands to change colors, dim the lights, or set schedules. Imagine coming home to a house that's already lit just the way you like it. Next up, the smart thermostat. The Nest Learning Thermostat, for instance, learns your schedule and adjusts the temperature automatically to save energy and keep you comfortable. Control it from anywhere using your phone and come home to the perfect climate every time. Security is paramount, and smart security devices make it easier than ever to protect your home. The Ring Video Doorbell lets you see and talk to visitors from anywhere, while smart locks like the August Smart Lock allow you to lock and unlock your doors remotely. Get notifications and keep an eye on your home, even when you're not there. Want to control your existing devices? Smart plugs and power strips, like those from TP-Link Casa, turn any appliance into a smart device. Control your coffee maker, lamps, or even your Christmas lights with your phone or voice commands. The best part? All these devices can work together seamlessly. Imagine waking up to your favorite song with the lights gently turning on and the thermostat adjusting to your ideal morning temperature, all without lifting a finger. So, there you have it. With just a few devices, you can make your home smarter, more efficient, and more secure. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Dark Lure Finds for more tech tips and reviews. See you next time.